What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we have a wrench extender. Now, I don't know if this is going to work on all of my wrenches, but we will go through the wrenches that I have, and we will see if it works. I do have the adjustable wrench, the same style that's on the photo that's on Amazon. So I do have the original wrench. I think that's the only tool that I'm not going to get rid of is my original adjustable wrench, because I still use it sometimes from here to there. So let's go ahead and get into this. Let's see what we got here. All right, you guys, and this extender is 15 inches. All right, you guys, so the last time I reviewed something like this was like a year ago. It was Craftsman. Yeah, it was Craftsman. It was a breaker bar that I reviewed because I was loosening the tension that was on my serpentine belt. So right here, and this is actually shiny and nice, you guys. This is like brand new. Also, it's made in China, just in case people want to know. All right, so 15 inches, and yes, it is true to the size. They are not lying. 15 inches, and that's what you're getting. Okay. All right, now I did buy an adjustable wrench here, a ratchet style adjustable wrench. So let's see if it fits. Now y'all see I have this blue rubber handle right here, right? So let's see if it fits that. So no, it don't fit inside of here. So I do have the original wrench, like I said. So don't worry, you guys. I will show y'all me using this with that. All right. But no, as far as this wrench goes, it don't fit. So if I wanted to use that, I couldn't. I got this one here that I just got. Now this is the crow foot wrench right here. So let's check that. So yes, if I want to use it on the crow, I can use it on the crow if I want to. So you have to have a skinny base, okay? You can't have a thick base. This is thick because due to the rubber right here. This is skinny. So if I need some extra leverage, I have 15 inches plus 8 inches right here, all right? And then you have extra leverage. But I'll show y'all this with a regular adjustable wrench. This is probably an important tool to have in your toolbox, in your shed, wherever you do your work. This is very important. This is a nice anti-slip handle right here. Very nice. It's comfortable. I tell you that much. Very comfortable. And you can use this with, even with your ratchet set. If you want to use your ratchet set, you can use this and just put your ratchet set on here, and then right there, you have leverage. This is good to have. Now, a lot of old school people, they have like a pipe, okay? They will use a pipe, maybe the pipe from their jack. You could take the pipe from your jack off and use your pipe as extra leverage. But right here is skinny. So, pipe is round. If you need to get somewhere tight that's in your car, under your hood, then this will definitely be the perfect tool to have. So I'm going to show y'all this with the adjustable wrench, and then we can call it quits. Okay, you guys. So we have the breaker bar right here, or the extension, whatever you want to call it. And we are going to go ahead and put our adjustable wrench on here. Like I told y'all, I always keep the old school adjustable wrench. Now, which way am I supposed to put this on? Okay. So it's tight when it's on this way. All right. So going like that, and then it's loose. So you see that? So if you're trying to loosen it, you want to make sure you have the bottom going up, because this is lefty loosey, right? If you want to tighten it, you have to turn it this way and then tighten it like that. Because if you're trying to tighten it the other way, of course, you have this slack right there, okay? All right, so this nut right here is very tight, and we are going to use our breaker to get it off. And again, yeah, that's tight, I think. All right, so we're going lefty, so we got to put it on like this, and then we have more force going down. Now remember, when you're doing leverage, the more leverage you have, the better. So if you're down here, you have a little bit less. When you're on top, as close as possible, you have more leverage. Let me see if I could try to loosen it like this. And it got loose. All right, the only thing in my way is this stupid bracket right there. But I just loosened it now. But this one was on tight. Let me see if it got loose. Yeah, it did get loose, you guys. So definitely get yourself one of these. Very, very useful. I know everybody don't have a drill gun, you guys. A lot of people still use regular tools, okay? So there we go with that. And I believe I took the other side off. Yeah, the other side is off. I'm basically breaking this old bike down, you guys. I don't need this old bike. I'm going to use some parts in it. I might take the inner tubes out and put the inner tubes on my son's other bike because his tire keep going flat. So other than that, that will be it, you guys. Definitely get yourself one of these. Very useful, very handy. So that will be it. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section, and I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next product review.